This playlist is about iCloud, Apple's online storage platform that can be shared among all your Apple devices. With respect to your iPhone, iCloud allows you to save files to the cloud, thereby freeing up space on your iPhone's internal storage. If you enjoy these videos, please like and subscribe. Let's get the disclaimer information out of the way. I'm using an iPhone 12 running iOS 18.3.2. And in iPhone years, an iPhone 12 is pretty old. It came out in 2020. What I found, and the reason I use an iPhone 12 in these videos, what I found is the problem you have when you're making YouTube videos about how to use the iPhone. There's a risk that your iPhone will be newer than the iPhone of your viewers. So you might be showing them how to use a feature that doesn't exist on their older iPhone. So what I've tried to do is make sure I'm the one using an older iPhone, so there's a pretty good chance the features I'm showing you will appear on your iPhone. If you do have a newer iPhone, the features I'm showing you may be reconfigured or modernized in some way, so your screen may not look exactly like my screen, but hopefully you can figure out the differences and adapt your newer iPhone's features to the older version of the features I'm showing you. iCloud is a great tool, but it can be a little confusing, so I'll do my best to explain it as clearly as possible.